And then lastly is the Power Virtual Agent, right? So this is the ability to put a bot up on a website or have an internal bot and engage with the customer. So I can go in and click on and say, I'm up on our website and I've got a bot named Taylor. So I'm a virtual agent. I can help you answer questions, order, store information, and more. If you'd like to speak with a human agent, let me know at any time. So what can I help you with today? So I can say, I'm interested in a laptop. And the agent is going to go out and look, okay, and identify, okay, when you say laptop, I'm going to present back to you, do you want a home laptop, a gamer laptop, or a business user laptop? In this case, we'll say gamer. And you can see it's presenting, here's the Contoso laptop, has enough power and memory to let you play latest games without missing a beat. Shall I add this to your cart? I can say yes to that, and the bot adds to the cart. Now, normally, I would have to talk to someone, right? I would have to talk to an agent and say, okay, I'm looking for a gaming laptop, and they would fumble through and say, okay, well, we have these 4 gaming laptops. Okay, which one do you really want? The AI is actually looking at who I am from a customer and presenting what I am looking for back to them, right? And they could present different options for me here too, but in this case, we've got a single option that we presented back to the customer. So it's been added to the cart. Yes, that's answered our question. You also have the ability to go in and garner some response or some CSAT back. How good has that experience been? Did we miss the mark? Maybe our bot isn't built out quite enough. So we need to, before we enable it again, we need to actually build it out so it's more interactive with the customer. But in this case, we've had a pretty good experience. So I'll say, yeah, it's been a great experience. Thanks for feedback. Can I help with anything else? I can say no thanks, and then it says goodbye and moves on. At any time, if I wanted to throw agent in there, it's going to link me over to a customer service agent, and they will handle it from then on. So I hope this is giving you a little bit of a flavor for all the things that are capable within Dynamics 365 customer service. It is no longer just that case management. There is a lot of pieces that are part of this, including the bots, including the portal, including the AI and the analytics and all that type of information. And as I mentioned at the start, you have to exceed or at least meet those customers' expectations that have grown so much in the last number of years. I hope you enjoyed the presentation and have a great day.